Eh? What am I reading? What am I reading? Last time, 36 million naira by a snake in my office. That day again, 6.8 million by gorilla. Now, termite, another millions of naira. And see me. As a human, I tattered clothes at the DSC. I never trust this money. As a human. No! I cannot die poor. I must make a move.
Like I don't waste time, owner. You want for your bazooka, owner. Where is that? Come inside. Don't disturb my peace. Black man, come and remove that.
Sorry, sir.
Before I turn you to a non-living thing. What are you looking for in my shrine?
Baba, I want to be animal. Jesus! In my country, Nigeria, animals, insects, they make millions. They swallow millions. Baba, turn me to anything. Jesus! You swallow money.
My son, wait. Oh, Zukume. Like a It says amongst them all.
Yes, Baba.
There shall be difference.
Yes, Baba, I want to make a difference.
There shall be difference.
I want to make a difference.
You will not become a snake, chimpanzee, gorilla,
yes,
or chicken.
I want to make a difference.
You shall become a snail.
Hey, Baba! Like I swallow billions.
A snail.
Snail.
Yes.
I'm a snail.
As slow as a snail, you shall swallow a lot.
Hey, Baba!
Yes.
I'm going to swallow billions. Snail.
I need you to eat this thing.
Baba,
eat this thing now!
Baba, wait.
Don't waste time.
If I eat this thing, I will talk to snail. If I go to Nigeria, I will swallow millions.
Yes.
Millions of dollars.
Yes. I will transform you.
Baba, how do I eat it? Sharp or small or slowly?
Chew it. Chew it. Chew it.
I'm a snail. I'm a snail.
Photo.
Jesus!
Oh, Zukove.
You only you waka come.
I don't go do rubbish again, no. I don't do rubbish.
Oh, heaven. Baba told me to a snake, a snail, or even a termite. You just better kill me. Oh. So I still die poor.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.